Director Chief IVF Consultant jangka Janitva IVF Center Guwahati Assam ke Dr. Arpita Sarma minta kelawan kenang senang bak Shillong ban aya kubor ke baha shiki shijur ki bamla satya ban yok khon na kada ko jinglingki ke Dr. Arpita Sharma kelapha ia kan ke kubor shiki shijur ki bam yok khon sho la bon snam hadim gladap ya tho shongkurim kelap ban wan Children's Hospital ke jaga sumar ke ban hakash nang pok se Shillong ban ya Shillong komnu ban ajing sumar ki la daga jing bam yok khon ke na jing lingki jaga kin thailand ni na ushin rang Nagabenta ke jing tip ki bakam benya pilaman book ik appointment ki jong phi dak ba telephone hau number kendai lai kendai san pra iwe not ar but pra nyo lai iwe kendai henriu ar nyo iwe pra
Habai keren bagi nong patai kubor usebut menteri rangba ke jelau ba Prestone tensong ulong balai ke jing betha ia ketenat pulit bat ia ki superintendent ki pulit bagi wat ia berok ki brio ke ba Pyndonkam Bakla la kadai ke jing ta yit yong la ni pendat siren ne kano ke bamiat kat kum ki kendon balabu da ke sarkar uba Prestone tensong ula keren ne kane hadin ke jing yo kem ya ki brio ke badangshan ki ba kameladi kum ki brio ka an bat beliau kurup ya ki ergon ki walkie talkie bagi ke bagi tiar naki Halor ke jengkeno ba unia uba syakem ude uba temu banikon election. Uba Prestone tensong ulong ba umdan jengtep AA syapang kata ba udang persyang ban kelin ki parlok ki badan haka kamsan perthai. Ndrai kim dan jengtep AA syapang kania. Kumta ban sypenkot ikani ka jengkam da mano-mano umdan jengtep. Tang balada yajan bat UE ubi usi ne udi ki badan haka bor. Ndrai hab ban yat kat kum ki kendon balabo da ke sarkar. Kanang bakan umbojeng yano.
There are people who misuse the power. So now we are on track, and then SOP again is in the final stage where we have already instructed DGP to bring out the SOP, and we'll make sure that VVIP culture should not be there, except, as I said to those duly approved by the Home Political as well as by the Police Department itself when they assess everything that yes, such person is really required to have this kind of facilities, then we can exempt from this kind of action. Otherwise, I'm telling you, I would like to reiterate that we are firmly dealing from now on those people who's trying to take advantage of the situation. We will not allow them to again repeat this kind of attitude. See, this is one area where we would like to send a very strong message to every concerned that see, the impersonation is not at all allowed, and we will make sure from now on no one should be repeated in such similar cases which it has happened, and we will not also allow people who is not fully approved or designated to use the dark class or to use siren. That we will be there to make sure that action will be taken sternly.